Ito ang latest chika mga mosang. Bel Mariano tinanong kung worth it bang ipaglaban niya si Donnie Pangilinan. Ito ang naging sagot niya, oo naman, mararamdaman mo naman kasi kung karapat dapat ipaglaban. Pero kung hindi, know your worth. Lagi kong naririnig to pero naisip ko lang minsan, alam naman talaga natin yung worth natin. Pero dahil mahal natin yung tao, we would step out to our limits. Na minsan kahit alam mo nga, nagmumukha ka ng tanga, hinahayaan mo na lang kasi mahal mo eh. And love can really make us do crazy things and there's nothing wrong with it. Naniniwala kasi ako na it's okay to step out of your boundaries. It's okay na magpakatanga. It's okay to take risks kasi kung hindi man mag-work, at least you tried, right? No what ifs, just lesson learned. And hanggang sa ma-realize mo, kung ano ba talagang halaga mo. Ganun man talaga pagdating sa love, masaktan ka muna bago ka matuto. Learn to stop fighting for someone who's okay with losing you.